don't have any map option in chat on your Instagram? In this video, I will guide you through how can you get it. To get it, you have to uninstall your current Instagram app first. After that, open Play Store, then search Instagram. Now here, scroll down. From here, join the beta test. By joining the beta test program, you will get every update early, before anyone else. Now restart Play Store. As you can see, now I am a beta tester. Now install the Instagram from Play Store. Now open Instagram and log in your account. Then allow all the permission from here. After that, wait 24 hours. You will get a new update within this time. Then again update the Instagram. After the update, wait some moment, you will get the maps option in your Instagram. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Thank you.